Reading food labels, making heart-smart choices. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on a journey to decode the secrets hidden in food labels. If you've ever felt confused while grocery shopping or wondered how to make heart-smart food choices, you're in the right place. So, pull up a chair and let's uncover the power of reading food labels to prioritize your heart health. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our empowering content. To kick things off, let's demystify the world of food labels. They hold crucial information that can help you make informed choices for a heart-healthy diet. We'll break down what all those numbers, percentages, and jargon really mean. Discover the key nutritional facts you need to pay attention to when reading food labels. We'll focus on elements like calories, serving size, fat, sodium, and added sugars. Understanding these can be a game changer for your heart. Dive deep into the ingredient list, which often reveals more than you might think. We'll uncover the good, the bad, and the questionable ingredients, helping you identify heart-smart options. Learn to distinguish between heart-healthy label claims and marketing strategies. We'll share tips on how to look beyond the buzzwords and spot genuinely nutritious choices. Here's the bottom line. Reading food labels is an essential skill for making heart-smart choices. It empowers you to take control of your diet and prioritize your heart health. That's a wrap on our journey through the art of reading food labels. We hope you found this information enlightening and valuable for your heart health. If you did, show your support by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends and family, and leaving a comment with your thoughts or any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell to stay informed with our empowering content. Thanks for joining us today. Click here for more tips on heart-smart living, and right over here for our latest video. Until next time, keep reading those labels and keep your heart smiling.